Zim Entertainment Rewind. Top 20 headlines that defined 2025. 2025 has been an absolute rollercoaster for the Zimbabwean entertainment scene. From heartbreaking farewells to legendary icons to history-making moments on the global stage, the industry is buzzing like never before. Whether you're a fan of the Gaffa culture, a fashion enthusiast, or a lover of the big screen, here is your definitive wrap-up of the biggest stories making waves this year. Top 20 entertainment headlines. Zimbabwe 2025. Farewell to the senior lecturer. The nation mourns as Sungura veteran Nicholas Madzibaba Zakaria passes away at 69, leaving a massive void in the music industry. Oscars hope for Zimbabwe. The short film Rise, starring Hollywood-based Tongayi Chirisa, makes history as the first Zimbabwean film to qualify for Oscar consideration. Winky D remains king. The Gaffa clinches the People's Choice Award at the 2025 Namas for the second year running, proving his unmatched fan base. Master H takes the throne. Master H, Hilary Marufu, edges out Freeman HKD and Saint Flau to win Outstanding Male Musician at the NAMA 2025 Awards. Tommy Moyo's Golden Year. The soulful songstress is crowned Outstanding Female Musician, cementing her status as Zimbabwe's reigning pop queen. Hip-hop history. Volt's JT makes history as his project NOP Makoni becomes the first ever hip-hop album to win Outstanding Album at the Namas. Zimdancehall's Big Payday. The National Cup Clash 2025 Grand Finals at City Ngoma feature a massive $25,000 United States dollars prize pool for upcoming talent. Ja praises World Tour finale. The Endini Mukudze World Tour shuts down Harare with a massive final performance at the HICC. Comic Elder's new ride. Comedian Comic Elder receives a brand new Ford Raptor from President Mnangagwa following a pledge made at the Youth Day Awards. Paris Fashion Week debut. Zimbabwean designer Ishmael Sakatsa stuns global audiences with a showcase at Paris Fashion Week. Castle Bri Fest 10th anniversary. Heavy K and DJ Tira headline a massive decade celebration for Zimbabwe's biggest outdoor festival. The return of Unplugged. Fans celebrate as Unplugged Zimbabwe returns in December featuring South African duo Liquideep and local star Saint Flau. Zakata drops. Chero Kuchibva Cash. Legend Leonard Zakata trends with his new finance anthem, music video encouraging hard work and hustle. Gospel Invasion. South African Star Drive. Winnie Mashaba and U.S. Giants Maverick City Music and Kirk Franklin announce massive 2025 Zimbabwe dates. Amon Piano to the World. Tatenda Mahachi releases Mbiri, an Amapiano-fused gospel track that takes social media by storm. Fabric Party Protest Fashion. Designer Tamar Prayer breaks the internet with the Red Sex Collection, a daring line protesting violence against women. Posthumous Magic. 17 years later, a soulful duet titled Chimanimani by the late Chiwanaso Marere and Chirakor is finally released. Social Media King. Mujaya Panish Garend takes home the Nama for outstanding social media skits, beating out Mama V. Victoria Falls Boxing Academy. The real-life story of Tobias Mupfuti, which inspired the film Rise, gains international attention for its work with street children. ZICCOAGM in Bulawayo. The Zimbabwe Council of Copyrights moves its 2025 elective AGM to the City of Kings, sparking new conversations on artist royalties. Stay connected with Chero TV. Don't miss a single beat of the action. From red carpet exclusives to behind-the-scenes drama, we've got you covered. Hashtags for the ghetto youths and trendsetters. Hashtag Chero TV #Zimentertainment 2025 #Nama 2025 #Zimdancehall #Sungura Legacy #Rise Zim Film #Winky D #Master H #Zim Celebrity News #HICC #Zim Hip Hop